Hello YouTube, hello electric riders, Lexi here, back again, daily motovlog, day 3. For those watching this series first time, I decided to do this because of the 30k review. I want to give you a real world impression how it is to go electric every day, so I do a tiny motovlog every day. Whatever I do, today I go car wash.
Next time we're back again. Pow!
And I also want to say, really announcement, really important. Tomorrow I go to work in the hospital. I take you on my the way I go to work and back. And in the afternoon there is some riders meeting, motorcycle rider meeting in Timbach called Isa Bandley. I will go there, give you just I hope there will be some riders because weather is okay. And Friday will be awesome. I will show you later on the mobile phone. There is Energica meeting from the dealership here in Switzerland. Awesome, man. Yeah, around this time, it's not weekend, it's Wednesday. It's the best time, so this car washes are not occupied. Easy going here. So take that away, set it off. Hey guys, and take care when you go to the car wash. Don't let your keys down. You can go fishing. It's a nightmare, I tell you. So by the way, some short tip: if you after washing, do with a towel. Here, this damper, clean it like this, so the dirt underneath here will get away. Sometimes you don't reach with the car wash everything, and just make sure it's absolutely cleaned. So it's all finished. Let's go eat something. So after every bike wash you should check your brakes if they work proper. Yep. So whoopsie. Yeah, that's the cool thing about Switzerland. Everything is really close to each other. So yeah, to walk down here is quarter an hour, and with the Energica, it depends, quarter an hour to a half second. Depends how fast you ride. So, whoopsie, don't get down, whoopsie, don't go down. Whew, it's a little bit cool. Whew. So beautiful. Sun is going down soon. You notice when you go in cold water, after a few minutes, it doesn't feel cold anymore. Yeah. Whew, made it. I should do this every day. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Ouchie, ouchie. So here we are back. Yeah. Now I feel fresh. Go back home, cut the video. Let's speed up a little bit. Make this vlog shorter. Oopsie. So you see, not every day is so super exciting like yesterday. Someday I take it easy, just do work and stuff. I just want to say thank you for the comments, for the views, for the excitement you share with me. It's awesome. And don't forget, tomorrow, Thursday, is Trimbach for all the Swiss riders. Maybe you watch my videos, hopefully. Or else, I tell you. Tomorrow is Trimbach, Isabandli bike meeting, and Friday is Ahornalp Energica meeting. Come over. If you ride Zero, if you ride Energica, internal combustion, and yeah, join the electric movement. If you ride in internal combustion, come over. There are a couple of riders. You can have Q&A with them. Typical question stuff. So if you mind, come over. Don't hesitate. It's weekend, and yeah, let's have a blast while riding, man. So I hope. Don't forget it. I hope a lot of people will join. And I say for this time, till tomorrow,